Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's video we have a haul. It's an Aldi haul, and so before I put anything away, I thought I'd go ahead and show you what I purchased. Let's come over here. Okay, so here we have this heavy cream. It's by Friendly Farms and it is the 1 pint size. I got 3 of those. These were $1.09. Then we have the half and half, and I do have the receipt with me. So I just want to give you the prices just so you know. I'm not sure if they're the same in your location, but let's see. Okay, so that's $1.36, okay, for the half and half. And that one is by Friendly Farms also. All right, so if we come on over here, we have the Countryside Creamery sweet butter. Those, okay, so the butter, $2.29. Okay, then I got 2 of the Happy Farms cream cheese originals. These are 79 cents. I got 2 of those. Then I believe the Brussels sprouts, I got 2 bags of these. Okay, and you can steam those in the bag. Those are 79 cents a bag. Then I got these are called Southern Grove dried cranberries. My son likes cranberries in his salad, so I think these were $1.29 each. I got 2 of those. Then I also got a bag of these roasted sunflower seeds, the salted ones. I throw those in the salad too. This was $2.29. So the fast rising instant yeast, you get 3 packets for 89 cents. And that one is by Baker's Corner. So I got 1 of those. Then we have some avocados, the Haas avocados. These are these are 59 cents. I got 2 of those. Okay, that's these 2 right here. Then I got some of this Aunt Maple's original syrup. And this is a pretty big size. This one is $1.29. Okay, I got 1 of these Southern Grove cocktail peanuts with sea salt. This is the 16 ounce. This was $2.29. Then we have the seasoned French fries by Season's Choice. Okay, and this was $1.20. Then we have the chicken nuggets. So these chicken nuggets were $2, and who makes this? Kirkwood. So Kirkwood chicken nuggets, that's $2.39. So we have the large eggs over here, and I got 3 of those, and those were $1.20. And now these used to be 99 cents during the summer. During the winter. And now they're $1.49. So I don't know what happened there. So I got that. And now the stevia, I told you there was only in here the erythritol and stevia extract. So I can have this. It doesn't spike my sugar in any way, and it's only $2.89. Much cheaper than getting the other brands. So this is Elevation Keto bars. This is one I never saw. Chocolate coconut macaroon. So this is 2 grams of sugar, 3 carbs. This was $5.99. So I figured I'd give that a try. And here is the pancake mix. We eat a lot of pancakes here. I cooked them for my son. So this one here, Aunt Maple's buttermilk, all you have to do is add water to the mix. This one was $1.29. Then I quickly grabbed some fish. Okay, so this was $2.89. And I think you get like 4 fillets here. 4, maybe 5, I think 4. And that's by Fremont. So I got 2 of those. Then I just grabbed 1 of these Boulder heavy duty aluminum foil. Okay, I grabbed 1 of those, and I'm not sure how much that was. All right, so here I got 1 of the Boulders heavy duty aluminum foil, 50 square feet. So this was $2.29, which isn't bad. Then the flour. So the flour is a staple that I buy. I bought 3 bags. They were $1.15 each by Baker's Corner. I thought that was really good. Okay, so then we got some iceberg lettuce. We got 2 of the iceberg lettuce, and these were $1.36. So I got 2 of those. Then we have this coleslaw. I always put coleslaw in salad. So so the coleslaw is $1.29 for this bag, and I just grab 3. Okay, so then I got this bag of the jumbo lettuce. This is the company that I guess ships it. I don't know, but anyway, one of these was $2.29, and then I needed to get some hamburger buns, so I think this was $1. And then I got some olive oil by Carlini. Okay, so I got one of those. That's $2.29. So this is all that I purchased from Aldi, and yeah, I think that was somewhere around $70-80, which is really not bad. I got a lot of stuff. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.